Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer XRP from Coinbase to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your XRP for better security or to explore DeFi, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and straightforward. Let's dive right in. First off, before we start, ensure you have a Coinbase account with some XRP in it and the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone. Trust Wallet is a popular choice for its user-friendly interface and multi-coin support, so if you don't have it yet, download it from your app store. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the XRP wallet. If you haven't set it up, create a new XRP wallet. It's quick and easy. Once there, copy your XRP wallet address. This is that long alphanumeric string. Double-check it to avoid any errors. Step 2. Log into your Coinbase account, either on the website or through the app. Go to your dashboard and find your XRP balance. Step 3. Click on the Send or Withdraw option for XRP. This will prompt you to enter a recipient address. Step 4. Paste the XRP wallet address you copied from Trust Wallet into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Keep in mind that there might be network fees, so check the estimated total to make sure it's worth it. Step 5. Review all the details carefully. Crypto transactions are final, so no slip-ups. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and authorize the transfer, possibly with two-factor authentication for added security. Step 6. Sit tight. The transfer should process within a few minutes, depending on network congestion in 2025. Head back to your Trust Wallet, refresh the app, and you should see your XRP arrive. A quick tip. Always verify wallet addresses and use official apps to protect against scams. With XRP's growing popularity, security is key. There you have it. That's how to safely transfer XRP from Coinbase to Trust Wallet in 2025. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.